Yeah. All right, you primitive screwheads, listen up. See this? This is my boomstick. Top of the line.
Consecutive dates of expressing my intentions of the less respectable taste. I'm lit and I'm flipping a vicious rage, sticking to these bitches and pissing the competition's face. Day 3 and my picnics to pop in this place. I got my reflex shades, hater blocking my face. Don't be squawking my name, that boss talk's getting lame. Me and my team are sauce constantly, and that's how we stay. I'm Miami, relentless and torturing, my victim of misery. I wish I could be set free. Contained in this dangerous and contagious state. Hard habit hell. Me and my team are overflowing this late. Know where we're going, where hell's rapids will. Yeah! Fuck yeah! They fuck I forget, but somehow managed to obtain a hazy mess of memories and enemies gain. I stand reluctant to change, I love the ruckus it brings. You say I'm crazy, but baby, this motherfucker's insane. I get the best